going on, guys? East Coast Streamer here. So today, it's been about 4 months since I even attempted to start my motorcycle. So last time I tried, I knew the battery was dead, so I'm gonna go outside, see where it's at. Winter's almost up, so plan on getting it ready to go. I have a new sprocket for it, chain. It's a 1997 ZX6R Kawasaki, so I'm super excited. I haven't even touched it in about 4 to 5 months. I mean, it still has new tires on it, Pirelli GTs that are super expensive, and the grip on them is just great. I love them. So I'm gonna go outside, bring you guys with me. Probably gonna have to hook up the little battery. I know I need a new battery for sure, but let's go check it out. So here it is. I haven't took it out in about 6 months. I have a brand new sprocket for it, chain. Gonna have to get that tightened up, tuned up. That one's just about done. Ran me 2 summers though, which was pretty good. Pirelli GTs, Angel GTs. These things, man, these things are great tires. And I mean, I didn't do much riding last summer, but as you can see, they're pretty much brand new. I didn't do that much with them, but just pop the seat off, see what I could do with it, see if it'll start up. Super excited, can't wait to ride. There's the battery. They're little, and I haven't changed this one since I got it. I've had that one for about 2 years now. But this is the problem that I get. So I'll put some cables to it, see if that'll help it. Alright, so usually what I'll do is I'll let the car run for about 15 to 30 seconds and then shut it off, because that's a bigger battery compared to this one, this smaller battery, so you don't really need to that hard. Alright, that sounds good. Sounds good. So this is just a test to make sure, you know, get the bike started, get the fluids going. But I'm eventually going to get a new battery for it once summer breaks. Start. Give it a second. Well, it didn't start, so I mean, it's been all winter that I haven't tried to start it. So I'm gonna eventually clean out the carb and put some new filters on it, new spark plugs, and then hopefully should be back to running good as new. But if you have any suggestions, put it in the comments on what you think it is, because I mean, it just won't turn over. So not happy about it, but whatever. I knew I was gonna have to take care of it. It's all right. But I'm super excited to get it running and, you know, get some vlogs on the bike.